Old Phone Ringtones. The Old Phone Ringtones app is intended to give users a library of historical ringtones from antique handsets. The app has garnered favorable responses from users. The app contains a big variety of antique ringtones from old telephones, an easy-to-use interface that allows you to preview and select your favorite ringtone, and no internet connection is required to use the app. Overall, if you like old ringtones and want to add some nostalgia to your phone, the Old Phone Ringtones app could be a good choice.